it and left no crumbs at all. From the styling, everything was perfect. Can you see the updo? What entered the gate? Tell them. Guys, in Miami Beach City. And it's all about Davido 25. This is the wedding morning, and can you see my very beautiful Chioma? Can you see that Insta I laid 3 days ago looking still fresh? But we had to take it out because we're about to do a pixie Insta because Chioma wanted a pixie look for our wedding day. And we got this beautiful unit from Official Honey and I'm about to make it custom. Installing the best products on the market from Beauty by ADEFUNKEEE, guys. If you have not started using those products, I don't understand what you're installing because they slap. Now I'm going to stitch down the wigs from the sides to the back just to ensure that everything is flat. And I went into pluck and customize extra. Reason because I really wanted the wig to give a scalp effect, so that like when you're seeing it, you're like, is that a hair, is it a wig? Do you get me? You can never decipher. So I plucked, restyled it, beat some pattern, did some touch-up restyling. And Auntie Banky, what did you put in your stew? Because this makeup be makeup. See, and can you see the edges? Guys, can you see the worthless effect I just did there? Like, can I hear you all say wallace, honest? Because what in the styling was there? Like, I slept. This is looking super stunning. Like, the makeup, the hair, the rope. Ooh, everybody on this team came with their A game. Shout out to our stylist because Chioma looked amazing. The wardrobe manager came through. And the wedding just by Alonoko. Shout out to Alonoko. This is very, very beautiful. My girl looks like a dream. And COO won't be doting on this woman like he just met her yesterday. Like, this man is in love. I don't know what you guys see, but me, I saw it first. And just the blinked out. See, money now water. What? Say it after me again. Money now water. Like, my girl was blinked out. This is like a 5th ring.
This is her 3rd look. What do you think about her hairstyle and makeup? Comment down below, let me know what you feel about this beautiful look. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you some other time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share.